Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to show you how to pack carry-on only. You do not need as much things as you need, and by traveling with carry-on only, you will save time because you don't have to wait for your luggage to come. You will save anxiety because you don't have to worry about your luggage getting lost. And you will also just be more comfortable while you're traveling. Like, who wants to carry that big luggage around? Like, no. So I'm going to show you all of the things that I do so that I can look cute, pack light, and have an awesome vacation without spending any money on luggage. Alright, this is how I pack carry-on only. You need to have clothes that you are going to mix and match. So here we have one outfit, which is cute. These two go together. So this is one pants. Then we have these two. So outfit number 2. Looking good, girl. Then we have this top, which is super cute with tights. We can wear the black tights or we can wear the red pants. So that's 3. Then because we're going to Greece, you know, I want to keep it light. I have my lace shirt, which can be worn with these or this. And this is a cute crochet cover-up, which can also be a shirt, or if you're feeling scandalous, a dress, but I doubt that. And this is just a tank top to go underneath. And then this top, again, can be worn with either my red pants or black tights. Then you got your bathing suit and another cover-up dress, which looks great. It's good for like when you just want to laze about and you don't want to wear anything. You wear that. All right, so let's put this all into our packing cube, because you know you need your packing cube. This bag is a little bit smaller than the first one, and it just has my underwear in it. Just take as many underwears for the number of days that you're traveling, and then a couple socks, and then a few extra underwears, because you know what? You can never have too many. Alright, this is my makeup bag, which I will show you everything in it, and then all of this stuff is stuff you need. So you definitely need some baby wipes. You need to bring some pills like allergy pills, pain pills. This is just ibuprofen, cold and sinus. Then you got Band-Aids, some alcohol swabs. You definitely need Afterbite. And this is diarrhea pills. Trust me, you might need it. And then hair straightener sometimes, depending on the trip. If you're doing a long trip, I don't really think you need to bring it because I didn't really use mine, but Vaseline is a must because it helps with everything. Some mosquito repellent, sunscreen, shampoo and conditioner, deodorant. Of course, we need some of these, panty liners, and your hairbrush, as well as your microfiber towel. Inside the makeup bag, we have some cotton buds. Why aren't you focusing? Q-tips. Got my Diva cup. Definitely need one of those. And makeup is super simple. Oh, look at that. Another Afterbite. I just have my 2 lipsticks. I literally did this today, dented it because it wasn't opening. So I have a pink and a red lipstick, eyebrow brush. I have my eyeliner, pink and red lipstick, eyebrow brush, just some eyeshadow. Don't forget your Q-tip, nail clipper, and some scissors just to trim, and earplugs. Oh my gosh, I got these for free, but you definitely need to bring some earplugs. So let's put this all inside. There you have it. It's all inside there now. All right, other things you must bring. A backpack. This one converts down into a tiny little thing, which I'll show you later. You need to have a sarong. It is perfect for so many things. I never travel without it. Kindle for beach bum days. Music. You definitely need to have that. These are, obviously I'm filming on my camera, so my camera batteries, charger, and this. You need to have one of these. If you don't, it's gonna suck. But this one is great because it's like every single plug you can use. You just like put it out like this. You'll have this one. All of them are there. And then you also have 4 USB slots, which is amazing. So you could charge like a million things at once with this. Then I have my GoPro in here and my portable battery pack charger. And then you also definitely need to bring a hat. It is going to be sunny, so bring a hat. And yeah, so these are our miscellaneous things that are gonna go in. And since you can bring a day pack too, all of this stuff, or most of this stuff, is going to go into this backpack along with my purse, which is this one. So I'm going to stuff all of this stuff into my backpack, and that will be what I'm bringing. Last but not least, we are talking about shoes. You need to bring flip-flops for showers, 1 pair of nice shoes, 1 pair of decent sandals to walk around, and these are my walking sandals, which I walk around all the time. If you're going somewhere colder or you'll be doing hiking, then bring some sneakers. I would bring sneakers and then probably get rid of these. You never want to travel with more than 4 shoes. And then you wear the bulky ones. So since I'm not bringing sneakers on this trip, I'm gonna wear those to the airport, and these 3 will be packed away. And there you have it. My 3 pairs of shoes are in here. We have the other stuff that we packed earlier, and we are gonna put it all into the carry-on now. Let's do it. Let's put our clothes in here. So as you can see, I can fit it, and there's still a lot of room here. Let's put our shoes in this one down here. Undies can go here. Microfiber towel, just in case, or even for the beach you can use it. And we'll put our stuff in here. And the makeup bag will also go in here. I can put this in here. And what else should we put in here? That's all right. That all goes in here. There you go. We got it all in the carry-on. Now, let's put everything into, sanitizer. I forgot, I always travel with sanitizer, so you definitely want to bring that. Let's put these into this purse. Put this in here. This in here. This can go there. I'm gonna put this hat here. Sarong. I also forgot, guys, bring some toilet paper because you'll need it. So I have some tissues in here, but you'll want to bring some toilet paper too. Like a half-used roll, not like completely full. So let's put this in here. So there you go, guys. I hope that this video has helped you to see how you can use packing cubes to organize yourself and to also be able to fit everything you need into one carry-on without looking ugly. And to be honest, you can probably pack even lighter if you wanted to, but since I have up to 10 kilograms, I decided to go for the extra clothes. Don't forget that you have one extra outfit. Also, okay, let's see how much it weighs. I have 10 kilos. This is 8 kilos, yes. So I just weighed it, and as you can see, it is 8 kilos, which is 2 kilos underweight. And also usually, I think 10 kilos is a little bit more than you'll usually get. 7 kilos is how much we had to travel with when we went to Malaysia. So I'm only 1 kilo over for that, which is awesome. And I'll probably, yeah, just pack some sleeping clothes as well. But like I said, the cover-up dress can be a sleeping clothes as well. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna try and make better videos and get a tripod and hopefully not be so out of breath. Cause damn, you're a girl out of shape, bro. Like, I need to start working out today. Whew. But yeah, thank you. Bye.